iPhone, Blackberry, Android? This is a question I get almost every day. There are a few questions you need to ask yourself first. What home or office computer do you use? If you use a Mac at home or the office, then an iPhone will usually make the most sense. This does not mean that a Mac user cannot use another phone, but it usually indicates that they prefer Apple products. Plus, if you're using a Mac, then you are probably using iTunes for managing your music, and you have to use iTunes to manage an iPhone. Do you prefer a real keyboard? If you prefer a real keyboard, then a Blackberry is usually your best option. Even though there are some very large touchscreen phones out now with 5-inch displays, typing on a touchscreen will never be the same as a real keyboard. Will you be traveling outside of Canada? iPhones and Android phones use 10 to 100 times more data than a Blackberry. If you travel out of the country, a Blackberry will be easier on your pocketbook when you return. If you do use an iPhone or Android phone and you do travel, make sure that you add a data roaming plan before you travel. If you travel frequently, then investigate an international data plan. Do you have a specific business application you need to run? If you require access to a certain program for work, then start with those devices that support it first. I have seen it too many times that someone gets a new device, only to be told that their software will not work on it. Will you have to manage a team of users? The easiest platform to manage 10+ phones with is the Blackberry. The Blackberry server is one of the reasons that businesses love the Blackberry. You can secure, lock, wipe, and even prevent access to the Blackberry from one central location for no additional cost for most businesses.